Hi everybody, it's Jama Malmi. Welcome to another scrapbook process video. Sometimes I like to start with a kit like I'm doing here and make some alterations to fit my photos. I'm starting with this layout today, and I'm going to use the title from this layout over here. This kit is the Reasons to Smile Cut Above kit, and it is a calendar kit meant to make a scrapbook page for each month, and then you can take the pages and put them in your album afterwards. But if you don't want to create a calendar, and I didn't want to, then you can just use the layout kit to create your layouts, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going through the base pages and pulling the base page that I'm going to need and going through these die cuts and stickers and pulling out what I'm going to need. And then there's also all of these pre-cut pieces, and they're all labels. So I'm just going through and pulling the sheets that I'm going to need to make these layouts and setting them aside. So you can see here it says which layout it goes to on the back of each of these papers, and the die cut and sticker sheets are the same. So this Reasons to Smile kit is no longer available, but there is another calendar kit that is available, and I will leave that in the description below in case you're interested. But today I wanted to basically show you some ways to start with a kit but make it fit your photos. So the first alteration I'm going to make is that I'm using a 5x7 photo, and the layout called for a 4x6 photo. And I did print both sizes, but I really wanted to go with the bigger size because I really love this photo of my daughter and her friend. They were just kind of playing around and dressing up in some fancy dresses, and the picture turned out to be super cute, and so I just wanted to make it bigger and make it the star of the show. And so I kind of put that in place, and now I'm going to bring in all of those die cuts. They do pop out of the little carrier sheet very easily, and then I'm going to adhere them all around the page. I love how the rainbow colors go around that wheel, and then all of the embellishments are put onto the color that they correlate with. So I think that's pretty fun. So I'm setting the 5x7 photo down and setting the die cut pieces in place to make sure that I have enough room to do the 5x7 photo. And here I'm checking with the 4x6, and after having that 5x7 down, it kind of seems like that photo is pretty small. And I am still able to fit the title that I want to use, which I stole from that other layout because this title fits the photo better. So I can save the title that was supposed to go with this layout, which says "Let the Fun Begin," and use that on a different layout. So these kits are very versatile. You can just put them together as designed, and they're always super cute, or you can kind of change them up. So now I'm putting the stickers down from the sticker sheet that goes with this layout. And I decided that I wanted to have a black mat around the photo. So I've got a white mat to go around the photo itself, and that helps the photo kind of pop because the background of the photo is darker. And then I put that on top of a black mat because that helps it pop off the background page a little bit more. So I've got the two mats there. So I'm going to adhere them both together and then start adhering the page together, and it comes together very quickly. Now, I love doing scrapbooking from scratch and kind of, cutting all the pieces myself and going through my embellishments and picking out all my embellishments from my stash. That's all super fun to me. But I also love doing these kits because, number one, they're just super cute, and I love all of the bright colors and fun backgrounds and stuff that would be hard to do on your own. And they come together so quickly. So I call these my bonus scrapbooking layouts. And it's fun that this kit has 13 layouts. So you can pair a lot of them together to make a 2-page spread. They have similar colors, or you can do just 1-page layouts, and you can always add embellishments or change embellishments and all that. But again, it's just a great starting off point. So I really like doing these kits. And I love when they have the journaling lines like this, because the journaling lines are actually stickers that you write on and then just stick down. And I would love to have just a whole sheet of sticker strips like this to do all of my journaling on. So I'm hoping for that in the future. So now I decided to pull in some embellishments from my stash, and I dug deep into all of my old embellishments. These are some glittery gems and sequins from, I think, the Make Waves collection several years ago. What was this, prickly pear or something like that, those sequins, lots of sequins and gems and enamel dots, and I'm putting them with the colors that they correlate with on that little wheel. So that's why I pulled out so many different packs, because I wanted to represent all of the different colors that are in those little pie pieces. So just kind of scattering them around, and then I took my shimmer brush and colored some of the embellishments with that, because none of my layouts are complete without a little bit of shimmer brush. And I used a clear shimmer brush just to add some shine without color. That is going to wrap it up today. This layout came together quite quickly. So here is a look at all of those little embellishments that I added. They really add a nice touch to these cut above kits, and it's a great way to use up your stash. So if you're interested in kits like this, I will leave links below to the other calendar kit and the other cut above kits that are available, as well as the subscription that Close to My Heart offers, which is also kits that are like this. There are 2-page layouts. And I also have a YouTube playlist for those, so I'll leave that below. I hope you've enjoyed and have been inspired, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel, and here are a couple more videos that I think you might enjoy based on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.